I thought, why not? Because of a lot of my friends enrolling for painters. And here I am almost a year, and I love it.
I've been here at 18 years now and worked on just about every paint line up and down the mile.
I was a bartender for a while before this. It was a huge change. Before my past jobs, I didn't enjoy working there as much, and here it's just you feel so successful at the end of seeing your work.
Probably the best thing, my son asked me, if I painted the machine that was on the semi that was taken off. I said, there's pretty high chance that I painted all that. And told me that, oh, that looks pretty cool and neat, and he goes, what does it do and everything. But the satisfied part is probably putting on a good paint job, and that's the first thing the customer's gonna see. Well, it used to be pretty intimidating, I guess, when I got started. I have rubber boots that I put on, and then I'll put my paint suit on.
You get in the zone, you put it on, you're not focused on anything else. It's like your helmet, you're going into battle, and you're just going full force. Once you put your hood on, it actually has air hooked up to it. You can change how hot or how cold the air is coming in. So in the summertime, you can make it an air conditioner in there. At the end of the day, when you see all that you've done, it's crazy. It motivates you to try to do more and do better and come up with crazy things that you didn't think you'd be able to do.